You'll see what I mean here shortly. It'll make sense. I'm big with preparation and layout, as you can tell. I've made my reference.
I dropped your jacket off at the dry cleaners, Tom said as I rushed around the kitchen, trying to pack the twins' daycare bags while scarfing down a piece of toast. You can thank me later. His smile seemed forced, and he barely looked up from his phone. Just 6 months ago, he would have been helping me.
It's square, and I like the look of it, but let's add a few pocket holes and get busy assembling this. Now, something I did off.
There was a spring in his step that hadn't been there in years, and he'd started going to wasn't sure I wanted to see. At work, between patients, I called my friend.